Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are dealing with theory of equations. Okay. In this class also we will try to solve 5 more questions. Okay. See, if 1 plus root 3i by 2 is a root of the equation x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus x minus 1 equal to 0, then the real roots are, you see, x to the power of 4 means how many roots will come? 4 roots will come. Among 4 roots, 1 root he has given, but is this the real root? No, why? Because I has come. This is a complex root. How many roots are left still? 3 roots are there. Why? Because 4 roots have to come, 3 roots are left. But here answers are having where only 2 roots. What is the logic? Okay, logic is complex numbers normally 2 roots will be there. Okay, see, complex number roots means like this it will come. You see. Say alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta are the roots because 4 roots should come. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2i. He has given. Beta we can take 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2i. Why? Because in complex numbers only single root will not come. Plus or minus will come. Plus minus both will come. Okay. That means only gamma and delta left. Gamma, delta, gamma, delta, gamma, delta. Which one is correct? Like we are going to find. Okay. If you observe carefully, what are these roots? Okay. Complex numbers we have studied now. See, omega is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2i. See, plus is omega means minus is omega square. Like that we can take. Or else vice versa. That means omega or omega square. R omega square. Okay. Root of 1. Okay. Cube root of 1. Cube root of 1. One is omega, another one is omega square. Minus 1 by 2 plus or minus omega 2. Okay. See, what are these then? Simply minus omega square. Minus omega square, like that you can take. Okay. See how you are tackling that question. First you write that question. You see, equation x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus x minus 1 equal to 0. See, x cube if I want to take common, then x minus 1 plus again 1 if I take common, x minus 1 equal to 0. Is it correct? You see, x to the power of 4 minus x cube plus x minus 1. X to the power of 4 minus x cube plus x minus 1. Okay. X minus 1, x minus 1 are again common. That means x minus 1 into x to the power of 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. If you are able to write this, then we are going to get the answer easily. Why? Because see, x is 1 root. That means see, 1 is there, 1 is there, 1 is there. Okay, this is not correct. Why? Because 1 is not there. X is 1 root. Another 2 roots are there. That means you see, shall I write this as gamma? Gamma is equal to 1. Alpha and beta already we have written. Alpha is equal to minus omega. Beta is equal to minus omega square. Okay? Beta is equal to minus omega square. Then what about fourth root? Whether is it 1 again or minus, not r minus 1 or 2. How you are going to find? Okay, now you see x is equal to 1 only we have found. What about x cube? X cube plus 1 equal to 0 means x cube is equal to minus 1. Okay, see, we don't bother about complex roots. Already they have given. We know about real roots. You see, if x is equal to minus 1, then x cube is equal to minus 1 cube, that is equal to minus 1. That means delta is equal to minus 1. Delta is equal to minus 1. That means C plus 1 minus 1. C is your answer. To understand this question? Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 22. The cubic equation whose roots are thrice to each of the roots of x cube plus 2x square minus 4x plus 1 equal to 0 is. Like that they are asking. You see, simple logic is like this. If they give thrice of this, like see, divide it by 2 you do. Okay, divide it by 3. Sorry, thrice means thrice means divided by 3. See what I am doing, x by 3 whole cube plus 2 x by 3 whole square minus 4 x by 3 plus 1 equal to 0. Wherever x is there only divided by 3 has to write. Okay, now see, x cube by 27 plus 2 x square by 9 minus 4x by 3 plus 1 equal to 0. You see, 27 is LCM. I have taken 27 is LCM. See, x cube plus, see, 9 is there. 9. For 27, 3 times it go. 3 into 2, 6. 6x square minus 3 is there. 9 times it go. 9, 4, 36x. 1 is there. 27 times 27 is equal to 0. Now 27 into 0, 0. That means the equation is x cube plus 6x square minus 36x plus 27 equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay. See what they have changed. You see x cube, but 2 rather than 2, 3 has come. Rather than 4, 36 has come. Rather than 1, 27 has come. This is the answer. You once again write the cubic equation, cubic only. This also, both are cubic equation only. Whose roots are thrice to each of the roots of. You take these roots and these roots, automatically you are going to get 3 times of these roots for this. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 23. Let alpha is not equal to 1. Okay, not equal to 1. Observe carefully. Be a real root of the equation. Okay, alpha is one real root. Okay, normally for cubic equation 3 roots will come, but there is no guarantee that all 3 roots are real roots. Some may be complex roots also. But here what is telling, alpha is real root but not equal to 1. Equation is x cube minus ax square plus ax minus 1 equal to 0. Here a we don't know. Okay, but again he is giving a is not equal to minus 1. Alpha is not equal to 1, a is not equal to minus 1. Okay. E is a real number. Then a root of this equation among the following is like he is asking. Okay, see how I am tackling this question. Observe carefully. First you write this equation. X cube minus ax square plus ax minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, I have written. Now again what I am doing, you see, alpha is one root. Then you submit alpha at x is equal to alpha cube minus a alpha square plus a alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Is it correct? You see, in place of x I have written alpha. Okay. Now this you take as equation or box. Okay. Or else you make in one box, this one. And this is also one box. Okay. Now see, don't do anything. You submit one by one. That's all. Only 4 answers have to submit. Answer is 1 by alpha. That is why directly I am submitting 1 by alpha. If you submit alpha square also, if you submit 1 by alpha in this, so this has to come. Then this is correct. That's all. Okay. See what I am doing. 1 by alpha. At 1 by alpha is equal to or implies. See, 1 by alpha whole cube minus a 1 by alpha square plus a 1 by alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. Okay. 1 by alpha cube minus a by alpha square plus a by alpha minus 1 equal to 0. You see, which is biggest to alpha cube? Alpha cube you take as LCM. Alpha cube I have taken as LCM. Okay. Alpha cube 1. Okay. Minus alpha square alpha times a alpha plus alpha square times a alpha square. See, 1 is there. 1 alpha cube times. That means minus alpha cube equal to 0. Okay. Alpha cube you send that side. Alpha cube if you send this side, automatically what is the equation? 1 minus a alpha plus a alpha square minus alpha cube equal to 0. Now what I am doing? I am sending all that side and the 0 this side. You see, minus alpha cube is going to become plus alpha cube minus a alpha square plus a alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, is this equation both? You see, alpha cube minus a alpha square plus a alpha minus 1 equal to 0. Both are same. That means answer is this one. Shortcut method. That's all. Okay, don't break head and simply substitute. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 24. The polynomial equation of degree 5 x to the power of 5 whose roots are the translates of the roots of x to the power of 5 minus 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x cube minus 4x square plus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. See, remember, if this question comes in our examination once again, see, simple thing is x to the power of 5, x to the power of 4, x cube, x square, x to the power of 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. This you remember. Okay, see, by minus 2 is like they are telling. I am telling shortcut method, I am not doing direct method. You see what I am doing? I am writing this, you see, coefficients. What are these? 1, minus 2, 3, minus 4, 5, minus 6. See, what method I am following? Synthetic method only. See, minus 2 they are telling, you take 2. Don't take minus 2. Okay? Don't take minus 2. You take 2. See, 2 zeros are 0. 1 plus 0, 1, 2 ones are 2, minus 2 plus 2, 0, 2, 0 into 0, 0, 3 plus 0, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 minus 4, 2, 2 into 2, 4, 5 plus 4, 9, 2 into 9, 18. Okay? 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 3, 6, 2, 4, 9, 18. 18 minus 6, 12. Okay? See, for ordinary method 0 will come, but here this is translates. Translates. Here 0 will not come, but you round it. Okay? One by one, what I am doing, observe carefully and follow this procedure. Next time up to here only you have to do. That you should not do. Okay? Again 2 with 2 only. With 2 only. Okay? 2, 0, 0 up to here only. 9. 2, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 0, 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 2 16s are 32, 32 plus 9, 41. Okay? Round it. Again with 2 again. See, all with 2 only you have to do. 2, 0, 0 up to 16. 2, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 7, 15, 2 15s are 30, 30 plus 15, 46. Round it. Understand? Okay. Now again with 2. 2, 0, 0 up to 15 only. 2, 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 4, 6, 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 15, 27. Round it. Again go for 2. 2, 0, 0, 1. 2 ones are 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Okay? Round it, round it. That's all. Okay. Now you see, you go in reverse form. What I want to say, x to the power of 5 has to come again. Translate equation means power is not going to change. Okay? Coefficients may change. You see what I am doing? All plus only. If you observe carefully, even though here minus 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 have come, but now all plus only. All plus have come. See what I am doing? 1 means only 1. X to the power of 5 plus 8 into x to the power of 4 plus 27 into x cube plus 46 x square plus 41x plus 12 equal to 0. This is the answer. Okay? Like this you do if this type of questions comes in your examination. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 25. Observe carefully. This is a typical question. Little bit what we can say, calculation mistakes are going to happen unless you tackle it carefully. If the coefficients of the equation whose roots are k times the roots of the equation of this one, you see Next equation we don't know, we don't bother about equation also. Here they are asking k value only, that's all. Okay. But what is the logic here? One equation is there, for this root is there. Say x is the root here, like that you say x. See, even though alpha beta comes means in x place only we are substituting. That is why let x is the root of this equation, first equation. Okay. And another equation we don't know, but that equation root is k times of x. K times the root. Okay. The value of k is asking how to find like, and answers also they have given. Simple thing is we substitute the values. Okay. Simple thing is we substitute the values. Why should we break our head? You see what I am doing? See, let x is the root of this one. X cube plus x square by 4 minus x by 16 plus 1 by 144 equal to 0. Okay. For this equation, x is the root like we have taken, assumed, let. Now again see, let y is the root of required equation. Y is the root of required equation. But that we don't bother about equation. Required equation root is y. This y is k times the x. Y is equal to k times of x. Which means x will be y by k. Okay, x will be y by k. Simply x is equal to y by k, you substitute in this. You see what I am doing? Y by k whole cube plus y square by k square 4 minus y by k into 16 plus 1 by 144 equal to 0. Okay? Now you see what we do here. See, I want to take all numerator only. That means I am taking k to the power of k cube is as LCM. Okay? K cube I will take as LCM. K cube I will take as LCM. You see what will happen? Only y cube will come here. Plus, if at all k cube is LCM, k times it goes. So k times. That means k y square. By 4 will be like this only. Okay, this is not going to change. Okay, now okay, minus k is there. K square times y. But divided by 16 is there. Don't forget. Plus 144. 144. But without this thing, k cube is not there. That is why simply k cube by 144. Is equal to 0. Now k cube into 0, 0, that we know very well. Now rewriting that equation, how, observe carefully. Y cube plus k into y square by 4 minus k square by 16 into y plus k cube by 144 is equal to 0. Now simple thing is you substitute goes on each one. What is the logic here? This word is very important. That means, see, integer should come. What if you substitute to k value they are asking. K value 3, if you substitute, what will happen? 3 by 4. Is it integer? No. Then you strike off this. Second one only answer correct because you see, k is 12 means 12 by 4 is 3 will come here. Y cube plus 3y square minus 12 if you substitute automatically 12 square by 16. That means 12 square means 12 into 12 by 16. Y. See 4 4s, 4 3s. 4 3s. That means the denominator nothing is there. 3 into 3, 9 will be there. Okay. Now go for here also plus k cube. That means 12 into 12 into 12 by 144. 144 means 12 square. That means 12 will come. Anything else? Denominator no. That means all are integers. All are integers. That means answer is 12. This is also shortcut way of doing this method. Okay. Rather than doing, you substitute it directly. Okay. Now we will stop this class and we will continue in the next class. I think the next class will be the last class for this chapter. theory of equation. Okay, thank you very much.